MS Access 2013. You know that Microsoft Access is a popular general-purpose DBMS application. Access 2013 is a part of Microsoft Office suite. It is a relational database where data is stored in the form of tables. MS Access is a relational database management system, RDBMS, which uses multiple tables to organize data and creates relationships between these tables to retrieve information. Each specific piece of information in a table is called a value. A value is located at the intersection of a column and a row. The total number of values in a table is the number of rows multiplied by the number of columns. Elements of Access 2013. Access 2013 includes a new user interface as compared to the previous version. Its various elements are: Title bar. It is the topmost bar of the Access window and displays the name of the active database and by default displays the path to the folder where it is stored. It also provides tools for managing the program and the program window. The icon you see at the top left corner of the window is the program icon. When you click this icon, a list of commands with the options Restore, Move, Size, Minimize, Maximize, and Close is displayed. Beside the program icon is located the Quick Access toolbar. By default, the Quick Access toolbar displays the Save, Undo, and Redo buttons. You can customize it to display more commands of your choice. At the top right corner of the title bar, there are 4 control buttons. The Help button opens the Access Help window where you can search for any information on Access 2013. Minimize, Restore or Maximize, and Close buttons are on the right side of the toolbar. Ribbon. It is a wide rectangular area located just below the title bar. The top of the ribbon has a set of tabs. Clicking the tab displays its associated set of commands. Commands are further organized into groups. The main tabs are File, Home, Create, External Data, and Database Tools. File tab. It has commands that help manage access and access databases. Click the File tab located at the extreme left of the ribbon to open the File menu and the Backstage view. The File tab includes the commands Info, New, Open, Save, Save As, Print, Close, Account, and Options. You can go back to the database and the ribbon by clicking the back arrow. Navigation pane. This is the area on the left of the window and it displays database objects grouped as tables, reports, forms, etc. When you open a database or create a new one, the names of the database objects appear in the navigation pane. Tabbed document. Database objects appear as tabbed documents. The tabs can be seen on the tab bar. Status bar. It is located at the bottom of the window. It displays the status about the current database and includes buttons to change views. Database objects. A DBMS has a variety of objects which helps us create, edit, delete, and retrieve information. Some of the commonly used objects are Table. It stores the data in a database. Form. It lets you enter and display data in a customized format. Query. It retrieves data from one or more tables based on a selection criteria. Report. It displays data in an easy-to-read format for printing. Macro. It automates tasks that are performed often. Module. It contains programming statements written in VBA programming language. Starting Access 2013. To start Access 2013, select Start, All Programs, Microsoft Office 2013, Access 2013. This will display the start screen of Access 2013.